Hey there, Kyle with Dirt Bike Channel here. I am actually on my first night ride with my sons. First time they'd ever been out at night. So they're not in the view right now, but what we did is I've been using, on this bike I've got an Acerbis VSL LED headlight and it's amazing, but I've also got one of these Oxbow Voyager helmet lights up on my helmet, kind of like clipped into a GoPro style mount. And we put these on my boys' bikes, the 65 and the 85, we put these little LED, you know, basically flashlights. They're helmet lights on the top of those, on the top of their helmets, and they were able to go out and ride. It's amazing how much light these things put out. I don't have like an affiliate code for it, but I think they're sold at Rocky Mountain ATV. I'm actually going to link it down below in the video description because these are amazing. So I've got 3 of them, one for me, one for each of my sons, and this is the only time I've ever used it with both of my sons. So I'm just chasing up here to catch up to them. We had about 6 people with us, 6 or 7, I can't remember exactly how many people that were out on this ride. Just kind of a leisurely trail that isn't too technical, and I think the boys had a lot of fun. I know one of them had more fun than the other, but yeah, so it's pretty good. And you can see me moving my helmet around, so you can see, yeah, I've got the one that's on the bike and then the one that's on my helmet. Makes it really, really good. My headlight was pointed too high today on the bike. I since went home and adjusted that, so the next night ride I did, which I might have some footage of that later here in a little bit, it's even a little bit better as far as how that goes. But we'll see if I can catch up to my boys and see. Let me know down in the comments if you guys do night rides, and if you have questions, you can always send me an email, Kyle@dirtbikechannel.com, or customer service at dirtbikechannel.com, and either me or my assistant will get back to you. So thanks so much. Exactly which part of the trail, but it was on this trail that I saw the cougar, and it was freaking cool. Looks like I've caught someone in front of me. Looks like it might be Tyler here. Oh, yep. He's letting me by. Can you hear me, Konnor? Yeah, so you have to hit the button. So it might have been partially unplugged, but you have to hit the button 3 times. You can stop and check it and see if it's on the brightest setting, you know, because there's 3 levels. There's 3 intensity levels. Does that make sense? So, and when we stop, I would advise you to turn it off, okay? Just to save battery. All right. I'm gonna pass you when we get an opening, okay? Yeah. No, Tyler's behind you. Yeah, I passed Tyler. I'm right behind you. He just pulled over when I got up behind him. So, as soon as we get a wider spot, I'm gonna get by you and slink up to Kase. This is right in the area where I saw the mountain lion, though. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. And you've got Tyler and Jason behind you, okay, buddy? Yep, Jason is bringing up the rear. Kase, can you hear me? Probably not.
your vision starts to play tricks on you. Your eyes do, with the movement and the tunnel vision that you have. I mean, in a way, you have tunnel vision anyway when you're riding dirt bikes. This is just a more focused tunnel of light when you're riding at night. And shadows move differently, which can, at least for me, kind of mess with my sense of balance just a little bit. I noticed it, especially at the beginning, before I turned on the camera, just as I got going, and there's some switchbacks and stuff. My equilibrium, my balance was a little bit off. Like to go around those banked corners, it's just a little weird when you're doing under headlight like that. And this headlight is so high, it makes me feel like I've got a rider right behind me. I'm certain I don't. But it makes it seem like there is. That headlight is so high. I'll work on that and get it adjusted down for my next night ride. I mean, it's workable. Must be catching them because it's getting dusty. Kase, do I have you yet? I'm not sure if Kase even has the volume up. I hear a bike. Is that you, Kase? Yeah, I think it is. Oh, good. You're right on his tail? Sweet. I'm going to be catching you soon because I'm in your dust and now I can hear you, so I'm going to be catching you. I passed Konnor. Oh, I saw a glimpse of you. There you are. Oh, and I heard Kase too, or Cade. Oh yeah, you're right on Cade's butt. Look at you guys rocking it.